Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This is my Christmas pencil tree parade, and this is the first pencil tree that I am showcasing. First, before I get started, I want to show you the products or the items that I am going to use in order to decorate this tree. In a previous shopping haul, I showed these items to you, and what I said was I was going to do some non-traditional colors in order to put my pencil trees together. Of course, the traditional colors work just fine, but I'm stepping out of the box a little bit, want to add a little rustic charm into my decor and designs, and what you see on this table is what I am starting with. And while I'm getting ready to start the work, I just want to give a big shout out to my subscribers. Another shout out and a thank you to the new subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you've tapped into this video and you are not on Freddie King's home decor team, I hope you too will stick around to the end in order to see how this pencil tree came out. Again, I'm changing my home from the glam, the modern contemporary, and I'm going with some of those non-traditional colors across the space this year, just to show you how, with a little creativity, you too can make your space look absolutely beautiful. And with that, please enjoy the video. I'll be back soon to show you the big reveal. I want to thank you for continuing to watch this video, and as you can see, I am getting to the end. I'm just completing the final touches of this Christmas pencil tree parade, and this is my first showcase or pencil tree. And without further ado, the big reveal is coming up next.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.